May ngabit lang mobile water treatment system para karing abiling tribal community ring Department of Science and Technology o DOST, King Sitio Socorro, Barangay Moriones, San Jose, Tarlac. Magkaulagayang 1.27 million ing safe water treatment system, emergency disinfection system of drinking water, amipondwan kapamilatanan ng Community Empowerment through Science and Technology o CEST program. Solar-powered yung may sabing makinarya ang makapag-generate at chuking 200 liters na ning safe drinking water kada metong oras. Makasaup yung mitmong proyekto king problema na ning limitadong water supply lakwas ka ring isolated areas. Makapamyaya mo namang supply iti king libutad na ring sakuna kalupan na namo ning bagyo, albog ang pong earthquake. Samantala, king probinsya na naman ning Nueva Ecija, ayari na ning Department of Public Works and Highways o DPWH ing 537 lineal meter flood control project king Balen ning Llanera. Agpang king DPWH may ngabit lang concrete protection wall amiki steel sheet pile foundation bang makasaup king pamag-mitigate karing potential damages at dulot na ning masikanauran ang pong albog. Magkaulagayang 80 million pesos ing proyekto lalam ning 2023 General Appropriations Act. Ken namang Balen ning Dinalupihan Bataan, 12 benepisyaryo ing may katanggap nego cards ang pong startup materials ibat king Department of Labor and Employment o DOLE. Magkaulagayang 360,000 pesos ing worth of grants sa karelang atanggap, kalupan na namo ning vending carts, single burners with gas tanks, frozen products kalupan ning kikiam, fish balls, squid balls, hot dogs, tofu and cooking tools ang pong aliwapa. May pila ring benepisyaryo lalam ning Adopt a Family program na ning Municipal Health Office ning Balen. Agpang king DOLE, makasawpiyeng ka ring magumpisang negosyante bang alan na lang gasusan deti. Kaya bay JMD Jesus, ako po yung kayong talasuyo, Lawrence Mendoza, ating pusong makabalen.